Dealing with a diesel engine that refuses to start or feels completely sluggish when you step on the pedal can be incredibly frustrating, especially if code P2285 pops up. This code means your injector control pressure sensor circuit is reading a voltage that is lower than what the powertrain control module expects to see. This sensor is the eyes and ears of your high-pressure oil system, and it tells the computer exactly how much pressure is available to fire those injectors. If the signal is too low, the computer won't know how to time the fuel delivery, and you will end up with a truck that either won't fire up or runs like it is starving for fuel. You will see this quite often on the 6.0-liter Power Stroke engines, where the sensor is tucked away in a high heat area behind the turbocharger. That heat is a silent killer for wiring, so your first move should be to inspect the pigtail connector for the sensor. If you see melted plastic or bare wires, there is your problem right there. I also highly recommend checking your actual oil and fuel levels, because if you are low on oil, the high-pressure pump cannot build enough pressure to satisfy the sensor. Use a digital multimeter to check for a 5-volt reference signal coming from the powertrain control module. If you have 5 volts going in but a garbage signal coming back out, the sensor itself has likely given up the ghost. Do not make the mistake of replacing the expensive high-pressure oil pump before you have verified that the wiring and the sensor are solid. Sometimes a simple loose ground strap or a blown fuse can mimic a total sensor failure. Clean any corrosion you find on the connectors and ensure the ground wires are tight against the frame. Taking the time to test the circuit properly will save you from spending a fortune on parts that were never broken in the first place.